Hello from Earthquake Park in Anchorage, Alaska. Recorded this on my iPhone 12 mini, but this eye sucks. This is filmed with a S10 5G on Verizon. This is Fire Island. This is the cook inlet. Sleeping lady. That's the other side of the cook inlet. And over here on the right is Anchorage. Hopefully an airplane comes over, but I highly doubt that there is. There's one on approach. Going on the other runway. This is the third busiest airplane cargo facility in the world as of 2020. Whoops. There's Fire Island. It looks like the wind turbines are moving. Let's zoom back out. There we go. Yeah, there's people chiefing. You can smell it. It smells like skunk. So if you ever come to Anchorage, it's the place to go. It's low tide right now. Cool. Got that on camera. Looks like a big cargo vessel coming in.